Hey, listen, if you own a commercial cleaning service or a residential cleaning service and you're interested in coming in our studio and becoming a guest on our show, Candid Cleaning Conversations, feel free to fill out that application down below and schedule to be a guest. We want to hear your story, all right? You don't actually have to be an expert. You can just share your story with the world. Maybe you want to share your pain points and how you were able to overcome past traumas in this industry, because we know that this industry is crazy, and we can all learn from each other. Okay, it's hard. People want to give up every day in this business, but we can learn from each other's story. All right, so if you got an interesting story and you want to drive down here to Savannah, or you want to fly down here to Savannah, Georgia, and come inside of our studio and be a guest on the show, fill out that application down below, and can't wait to see you in Savannah.
Once I realized that was the key, just whatever you're trying to do, hire somebody else to do it. Like, figure out how to do it, put somebody in it, trust them.
You have to learn that it's the people that make the money.
Y'all could have kept that sauce to y'allself. You know what I'm saying? But y'all shared the love.
Community and networking is huge. Just by you being in that environment, it changed your life.